Is this too expensive? Don't worry. Today, you will learn how to make an offer and pay less money.
Barnaby shop is over there. This place is full of secrets. Let's see what Barnaby has today. This is a cool pet. How much is it?
It's $300.
Wow, it's expensive. I'll give you $200.
No, it's too little. How about 280?
No, that's still too much. I'll give you 250.
Sold. It's yours.
Stay here, little one. My friend will take care of you.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need headphones.
They're in the back. Follow me.
How much are the headphones?
They're $40.
Wow, they're expensive. I'll give you $20.
How about $30?
No, it's still too much. I'll give you $22.
How about $28?
No, how about $25? Sold. They are yours.
Asking the price. How much is it, or the pet? How much are they, or the headphones?
Use is for one thing. Use are for two or more things, or words that only exist in the plural.
Reacting to a high price. Wow, it's expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot of money. Making an offer. I'll give you $200.
How about 280? Closing the deal. Okay, sold. It's yours. They are yours.
How much is the tablet? It is $200. Hey, it's an old model. It's too expensive. I'll give you $50.
What? Are you crazy? I can't give you 75% off. It's too much.
I can give you 25% off.
No, it's a very small discount. The tablet is very old. I'll give you $100.
Okay, fine. I need to buy oil for my children.
Oh, you have children.
The twins just turned 342, and the youngest is a spry 211.
You are a good customer, Elara, but you bargain too much.
It's only because your products are too old, and I like to bargain.
$200 is the full price. Elara wants 75% off. $200 minus 75% equals $50.
I can give you a 25% discount. A discount makes the price smaller.
Rule: give plus person plus a plus discount.
You need a name. Hey, you can change shapes. I'm gonna call you Rebel.
See? I told it was a rare pet. You made a good deal.
Yes, I see. It is a very special pet.
Oh, Rebel, why are you crying? Are you hungry?
Take this food. You don't need to pay for it. It's on the house.
Thanks, Barnaby.
Barnaby says, "It's on the house." What does this mean? It means the store gives it to you for free.
You do not pay money.
Okay, Rebel, here is your food.
I need more food. How much is one food basket?
It's $6.
I'll give you $4.
Sorry, I can't do that, but I can make 2 baskets for $10.
I agree.
If you always buy the food here, I can make a special monthly price.
Okay, that sounds good.
Step 1. Asking the price. I need more food. How much is one food basket? This equals asking for a price.
Use how much are for many things, plural.
Step 2. The offer. I'll give you $4. It's $6. Bargaining is when the buyer wants a lower price.
I'll give you price is a great way to make an offer.
Step 3. The counter offer. Sorry, I can't do that, but I can make 2 baskets for $10. Polite no. New offer, 2 for $10 means 1 basket is only $5.
Step 4. Reaching an agreement. I agree. Other ways to say yes. Okay, that sounds good. I'll take it.
Step 5. The special future deal. If you always buy the food here, I can make a special monthly price.
Okay, that sounds good.
Monthly means every month.
Special price means cheaper.
At a flea market in the sky is where I like to buy. I bargain and I get a discount. I like to pay a fair amount.
Would you like to buy anything else? The skateboard and the treadmill are on sale.
No thanks. I will not take them today. Maybe next time.
More shopping videos on the playlist. Ooh. More shopping videos on the playlist. Yeah.